today for the Bitcoin, but more importantly, altcoin prices. And guys, probably you think after seeing this title, Chris, you are crazy. $10,000 in these 6 altcoins will make you a millionaire? Well, hear me out, watch this video until the very end and maybe you will think differently. Thank you so much for clicking this video. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. And guys, before I continue here, leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section. I want to see if we have some similarities here. And now let's go straight into it. And first of all, a big disclaimer. Most of you know that I'm a big Bitcoiner, right? I have like 75, call it maybe even 80% in Bitcoin. However, these 20% remaining, they are in Ethereum and also in altcoins. And a big chunk of this, of course, in Ethereum. I want to scale now a little bit more into altcoins, and yes, a little bit more. I have another fully dedicated video why I'm still keeping a big part in Bitcoin. But today I want to talk about these specific altcoins. And I can tell you something, especially towards the end of these altcoins, there might be a few surprises in for you. So make sure you watch until the very end. And I will start with the least surprising one, which is Ethereum. Of course, it's not a big surprise to you, but Ethereum has network effects. It has the biggest brain juice of developers in it. Tens of thousands of developers already. And the most important thing is that Ethereum 2.0 is now, I already sound like a broken record, but it seems like it's really around the corner. I'm here in crypto for many years already, and I have been waiting for that for a very long time. And of course, a lot of that is already priced in, but fundamentally, it is going to improve Ethereum. Fundamentally, it is going to make it more scalable. Of course, Ethereum is much less secure than Bitcoin. It's less decentralized, but every altcoin is, right? So Ethereum is my biggest altcoin position, if you even want to call it an altcoin. The second altcoin is also not very surprising, but then I can tell you we are going into surprising ones. And the last one, probably many of you didn't even hear about that. So wait until the end. So the next one is BNB. And why is this to myself even a little bit surprising? It is a very big player, right? I mean, it's ruling them all. It's even bigger than Coinbase if you exclude the IPO. Binance is right now getting crackdowns from regulators. So in my opinion, if this would not have happened, the price would already be much higher. So what I can observe here is that the market is calculating in that the crackdown on Binance is coming, and we see that already. They have forced KYC, they have withdrawal limits, they are suspending their leverage trading in many specific jurisdictions like Germany, UK and whatever. However, guys, Binance is huge. They have almost unlimited funds to protect them with lawyers. They have unlimited funds to find loopholes, to change jurisdictions and so on. So what I truly believe in is that Binance is going to go out as a winner from this crackdown. And if this is going to happen, then they will catch up to their true fundamental value in the future. Of course, there's a lot of hype involved, but look at the daily volume. Look at the use cases of Binance. You can get discounts on fees. You can do swaps. You have decentralized exchanges. You can take part on IDOs. It's absolutely insane. So this is my second holding. Of course, keep in mind that my Bitcoin holding is probably like 100 times bigger than my Binance holding. Nevertheless, very strong one. So now let's go into the next one. And by the way, go down below, press subscribe, press the bell and press on all. If you don't want to miss out on another video I'm gonna upload soon on my altcoin strategy. Not only what altcoins I'm buying, but also how I will take profits, at what exact prices I will take profits. I will publish this on this channel, so go down below, press subscribe, press the bell and press on all. So you are not a slave to the YouTube algorithm and you are definitely not going to miss out on this future video. Now let's go into the next one. And the next one is already a little bit more surprising. It's Solana. And Solana is a smart contract scalable blockchain with up to 50,000 transactions per second. And it's not the more transactions per second, the better, right? I mean, Bitcoin has 7 transactions per second. And in my opinion, it's the greatest blockchain in the history of mankind, the greatest asset in the history of mankind. Solana has 50,000. Of course, it's less secure. However, it's a great blockchain. And I have friends myself building on top of Solana. And I can tell you, I have insights that this is a great project, but we saw a very big hype recently, a very big percentage gain. So what I am doing myself, it's not a suggestion, but what I'm doing myself is, and I will maybe cover that in one of my next TA videos, I will find a good entry price because I don't want to buy into green candles, and In the worst case, I'm just standing on the sidelines on that one. But if this is going to get a significant retracement, and in the next TA video, or when I'm covering Solana, I will talk about what specific price level that is. I want to go into that one. So let's talk about the next one. The next one is Elrond. And maybe this might be a surprise to you as well. By the way, none of these altcoins are sponsored. I'm sponsored by none of these altcoins, but Elrond, I'm actually working like a little bit together with them. I have contact with the CEO and so on, but this is why I like the project, because I looked more into it, and it's a very good hedge against Solana, because in my opinion, it's gonna be either Solana or Elrond or both of them. But if it's going to be one of them, I'm gonna be part. So Elrond is also a smart contract platform, and they are bringing out a lot of things. They are gonna bring out a swap on Elrond. They will have probably a launchpad in the future. By the way, Cardano is going to have a launchpad in the future as well. So this is definitely one. The next one, Cardano, and after this, the sixth one is coming, and this will be the surprised one. Cardano is going to have a launchpad also in the future. Of course, we had a huge percentage gain, but the matter of fact that it was released in 2017, it already gained from the whole hype in 2017, and it came back like crazy. This is showing strength, because many altcoins didn't do that. Many altcoins in 2017, they didn't come back like this. They gained a little bit, but they lost against Bitcoin. Cardano is making new highs even against Bitcoin, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is a big sign of strength. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is showing me that maybe Cardano is one for the long term. And now the last one, guys. Maybe you can guess it. Maybe some of you commented it below. But the last one, wow, we are landing with turbulences here. This is interesting. Fasten seatbelts. Oh no, it's gone already. But I have to complete this video. So my last one is Compound, guys. And Compound is because, oh wow. Compound is, in my opinion, from all the altcoins I mentioned, the most decentralized one. And decentralization is the reason why I'm here in crypto space. So I think everything which is truly decentralized, like Bitcoin, Ethereum to a very high degree, and also Compound to a high degree, at least, not compared to Bitcoin, but compared to the other altcoins, has the highest chances of succeeding in the very long run. I'm gonna buy Compound. I'm not invested in Compound yet, but I will scale in Compound in the immediate future, and I'm gonna hold for the long run. And it's very important that you don't only watch this video, but that you also watch the next one, where I'm gonna talk about price targets, where I'm gonna talk about exact strategies, where I'm gonna sell, how much I'm gonna sell, where I'm gonna sell into. Go down below, press subscribe, press on all, and also make noise for the algorithm by sharing the video, commenting, and whatever love you want to spread here on this specific video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate you, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.